Meanwhile, there was a low turnout at churches across the corporate area and the St. Catherine today as worshippers stayed away in light of the ban on mass gatherings. Already, there are indications that some service will be live streamed come tomorrow. Webster Memorial in St. Andrew sent out a release indicating that move as fears over COVID-19 intensified. Meanwhile, at Sabbath worship, increasing hygiene was the order of the day. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
It's not the typical message. The sick and faint-hearted are usually advised to come to church for healing, but not today.
We advise that the elderly and those who are sick, we advise that they stay home and they can monitor what is happening at church through an online service that we provide for them.
Church members who are normally welcomed with a printed copy of the day's itinerary were instead greeted with this at the Old Harbour Seventh-day Adventist Church, a precautionary measure as the island recorded its 8th case of the COVID-19 coronavirus.
We're going to have a shortened divine service and then we'll break for the day. We will not have an afternoon session, and this is the standard procedure that we're going to be following until we are directed otherwise that it is safe to go back to the full day situation.
However, many persons opted to stay home. Those present kept their distance. It was the same at the Spanish Town SDA Church.
We will not meet here again. Our next formal meeting of the church will be on Sabbath. We will not have weekly meetings.
And the Andrews Memorial Seventh-day Adventist Church in St. Andrew.
We have encouraged that we move away from all social gatherings. Hence, you notice we did not have the small classes this morning. We are discouraging every activity, including choir practice, potlucks, any retreat, anything like that that was planned.
The Health Ministry has advised persons that it's best to avoid public gatherings or physical contact to prevent further spread of the highly contagious COVID-19 disease.
We have just encouraged the brethren not to do much handshaking and much greeting, just in keeping in order what that the Ministry of Health has laid down.
But why are persons going to church in the first place?
I take a head surgery, And from I take the head surgery, the chick bee take me. And from the chick bee take me, I can't walk again. And I just barely. And I come at church same way, don't care what it means. I come into church.
Well, I am a child of God, and I believe that I am protected under the shadows of His almighty wings. Nothing will happen to me. I believe, I have faith in Him to know that He will protect me. He will protect me. So I believe that.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.